Hello everybody, today we're going to take a look at this all new clevertronics surface mounted lifelight weatherproof. Okay, so this is actually a new product that clevertronics have just brought out. Okay, and it's the lifelight, and it's surface mounted and it's a weatherproof fitting. Now all the surface mount clevertronics lifelights have been redesigned to look like this, with this new plastic enclosure compared to the old metal enclosure we used to get, and it's a little bit more thinner, so we get more so it's more compact. Okay, so this is the new weatherproof one. It's weatherproof because it has this part around it. The non-weatherproof version doesn't. Okay, it's got a cool white LED, as you can see. And now here's the information on the side here. So this is an LP version, but you can get it in the EL and L10 as well. Okay, it's got Sea Life, SMWP. It's now changed it to SM. There's no longer SMS anymore. Okay, so that's been totally scrapped. And there's the information on there, of course. Okay, I actually like this new design because it's more compact. Okay, now this weatherproof version is not cheap. This thing cost $300, so it wasn't cheap. Okay, and the Pro version, which is the same, where it's got two bulbs, will be even more expensive than this one. Okay, of course this does have Clever Test Plus, so you can tell by that symbol right there, and you can tell by the LED indicator flashing green there. Okay, and this thing is cool white, so I put a cool white bulb in there. It's got one LED bulb in it. Okay, if you take a closer look at that there. See there, now the LED is changing colours because it hasn't been tested yet. Okay, so that's your LED right there. It's so small, but it's bright. Okay. And you can press the button and it will light up. Okay, get a look closer look at that. That is pretty bright. Okay, for a tiny bulb. Like this one here's LED and it's bigger than that. Okay, but this one here, the rating is D40, which is the lumen classification you get for it. Okay, and it's got the little information sticker there. It tells you what's going on. It's got your charge and status and your test, okay? And another thing is that this thing doesn't use screws, it's actually a clip-on, so you just need to stick a flat blade in there, depress this, and this whole cover comes off, okay? And another thing I should note is that the inverter inside doesn't have a cover over it. It's actually an exposed circuit board, so it's all been completely redesigned in these new ones. I actually like this design because it's a lot more lighter, okay? I think it's a lot more portable, so it's a lot more easier to carry compared to the previous generation. So it's kind of nice. It's a very cool emergency light. Okay, and if you like, we'll put it on. Okay, now you can see the difference there. I'll turn the main light off. Okay, it is still a bit light, but it is lighting up the bathroom. Okay. Okay, so that's with the main light on. Okay, and I'll show you one of the previous design. Okay, in here, this is the previous generation. Okay, so that's the old generation, okay, of this light. Okay, and this is the new latest generation. Okay, and it's a D40 classification. Okay, as we're on the Pro, you get a D80. Okay, so that is pretty cool. That is cool. Okay, so very cool. So we'll cancel that. So I'll press and hold the button. Okay, you can see the LED indicator flashing. Okay. There we go. Okay, now you can purchase this little cover separately, so if this got broken, you can easily replace it. Okay, so that is the all new Clevertronics weatherproof Lifelight surface mount. So I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.